Welcome to DataPencil. I, Kalyani Bhatnagar, founder of DataPencil, and I welcome you all to part 3 of 100 Queries SQL Challenge. These sets of queries are designed purely for practice. After you learn the basics, practice is everything. So the more you practice, the more you improve. So now let's start with part 3 queries. And here is our first query. Find students who enroll in exactly one course. List courses priced below the average course price. Query 3. Find students whose first enrollment was after 2024-0601. Query 4. Show students who completed at least one course fully. Query 5. Find the cheapest course in each category. Query 6. Display students whose highest course price is above 3000. Query 7. Show courses whose enrollment count is below average. Query 8. Find students enrolled in at least two different categories. Query 9. List courses where no student has completed more than 50%. Query 10. Find students whose total spending is below average. Query 11. Show students who enrolled but never completed any course. Query 12. Find categories with more than 3 courses. Query 13. Show students whose average completion is overall average. Query 14. Find students enrolled in the least expensive course. Query 15. Find courses whose price is lower than the average price of their own category. Query 16. Find students who enrolled only in free courses. Query 17. Show courses where maximum completion is less than 70%. Guys, result might come as empty row also, so nothing to worry about it. It simply means that it is not fulfilling the criteria. Okay. Query 18. Find students who enrolled in the second most expensive course. Query 19. Display courses with enrollments greater than median. Query 20, and this is the last query. Find students who completed exactly one course. For any administrative help, you can connect with the WhatsApp number which is given on the screen. And please don't call, only WhatsApp. So see you in the next part. Take care. Good luck.